I was just watching one of Ari Whitten's videos, and I wanted to tell you guys about him. If you're interested in being the healthiest and most energetic and full of just well-being, he is amazing. He backs up everything with research, and he has ideas and techniques that I don't think anyone else does. You can get his books on Amazon, like The Energy Blueprint, or you can get on his list by subscribing, and then you get invited to seminars that he does, and they are really amazing. He is just so knowledgeable. It's unbelievable. So I highly recommend him, and I'm not an affiliate, although I probably should be. And you spell it Ariwhitten. Ari Whitten.